Okay. So with the grade 4, grade 5, let us start first with what we did yesterday. Rounding whole numbers. So the first one we say round off to the nearest 5, round off to the nearest 10, round off to the nearest 100, round off to the nearest 1,000. First, if we have this number, let me say 0. 1,790. How many digits do we have in this number? 4 digits. 4 digits. Now, let's give the place value of each digit. Starting from our right, where our last number is, our last digit, we say is what? Unit. Then 10, 100, 1,000. So the unit as position 1 or first is first, then followed by the second position is what? Is 10. You understand? Is 10 is occupying the second position, and 100 the third position, and 1,000 fourth position. This position means number of zeros. Understand? So we get our units or ones. Units or ones is from 0 up to 9. You understand? 0 up to 9 are units or ones. Now, when we go to position 2, tens. So look at our tens. How many digits? Units only 1 digit. So when you have only 1 digit means you have units or ones. Now, with our tens, we have how many digits? Look here, 2 digits. 2 digits, and we say the 10 is starting from where? 10 to 99. You understand? Starting from 10 to 99 hours are tens. You understand? So I can say, okay, let me say, I'm not going to say 99 because I'm going to use units also. Let me say 10 to 90. You understand? Those are tens. Now, for my position 3 now is what? 100. So our 100 we say, how many digits? 3 digits. Then, from 100 up to 900. You understand? Because if you add 100 again, it's going to be 1,000. You no longer buy the 100th one. You go to the 1,000. So now, with 1,000, how many digits? 4. Starting from 1,000 to 9,000. You understand? Then after day, you start getting how many thousand? 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. You're going. You understand? You go so now. This 1,000 means how many zero? 3. 4 digits. 100. How many zero at the back? 2. 10. How many zero? 1. Here, how many zero? Nothing. Understand? It's only 0 and 10. This is how is the first step to understand how to round off a number. Now, we said again, we have to use the number line. We have a number line to the nearest 5. To the nearest 5, we say what? We start here from 0 to 5. You understand? Now, we take our middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our middle is 2, 2 and what? 2 and a half. This is our middle. Now, if our digit is less than the middle, less than, we say we do what? We round down. We round down to the previous 5 because it's rounding the nearest 5. You understand? We round down if our number is below 2 and a half. You understand? If it's more than, we do what? We round up. We round up to the next 5. You understand? Yes. Then if it's equal to our middle or half, we say what? We round up as well. You round up to the next 5. Meaning, if you have 1, round 1 to the nearest 5. To round off, we use this sign here. It's not equal, but we use this one. To round 1 to the nearest 5. Where is 1? Our 1 is located here. Is here. It's located here. Is below or is less than the middle. You understand? Less than our half. Meaning, we must do what? We round down. We round down to the previous 5. Our previous 5 here is what? 0. You understand now? We go back to 0. You understand? Now, if we have 2, we round down as well. If is 2 and a half, we do what? When it's in the middle, we do what? We round up to the next 5. So here to round, we get 5. If we have 6 to the nearest 5, 6 to 3 first to the nearest 5 is 5. Now guys, I have a question. So now to round 5 to the nearest 5, you must look at the number that they give you. If they give you 5, if they give you the number more than 5 or 5 or more, you must change your interval. You understand? You must change because you know that 5 is located between 5 and 10. If it's 5, you go 5 and you count another, you add another 5. Is what? 10. 10. You understand now? So 6, 7, this one is 7 and half. 8, 9. So to run 5 or 5 or to 5. If it's 6, look here, 6, you round down to the previous 5. That is what? 5. If it's 8, you go up to the next 5. That is 10. Understand now? And now, it's the same thing with, if we use now to the nearest 10. Now, to the nearest 10, nothing will change here. To the nearest 10, we say, let's use our number line. Now to the nearest 10, we start with what? 10. You understand now? 0, 10. We get the middle first, the half. It's what? 5. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look now. So, if the number is less than 5, less than 5, you do what? You round down. You round down where? To the previous 10. If the number is equal to 5, the number is equal to 5 or more than 5, you do what?
Round up to the next 10.
More than 5, you do what? You round up
to the next 10.
To the next
10.
So you only have 2 rules to apply with the rounding off. Either you round down or you round up. It depends on how your number, what your number is. You understand? If your number is in the middle or half, you round up. If it's more than half, you round up as well. If it's below, it's less than your middle or less than 5, you round down to the previous one. So the first thing you must do here is to find the interval of the number. You understand? Where the number is located. You understand? Now, let me say, I'm going to give you a number. Round up to the nearest 10. 22, 457, 1,795, 2,484. Let's round off this 3 number. Look here. We put a sign. We put a sign. We put a sign. Now, look. How to round off 22? We must first locate the interval of this 22. Where this 22 belongs. You understand? According to the tens. So, 22 is between what? 22 is between what? The previous 10 is what? Between what?
1 and 3.
Look here. Let's count in tens. 10, 20, 30. So, where are we going to get our 22? Our 22 is between 20 and 30. Is the first things you must. So now to round off to the nearest 100, we say, we look at this 3 digit. The only digit that will change is the 3rd one, our 100 according to the place value. So now 222 is between 200 and 300. So now the middle here is what? 250. Our 222 is less than our middle or our half. You understand? So we do what? We round down to the previous 100. 100. Now we have it up. 100. The previous one is what?
200.
Understand now? Now let's look at this one. 457. We do what? First, we must find what? The interval. We are between where? Between what? 400 and what? 400 and
600. 500.
500. You understand? It's the first thing to do. We are between 400 and 500. Now, the next step 2, we must find the middle. So the half here is what? 450. 450. Now, let's place our number now. Where's our number? 457 is more, it's somewhere here. It's more than our half. So we do what? We round up to the next 100. Our next 100 here is what? 500. Understand now? Okay, give me this. 2,484. You don't look at this one. It's like, don't look at this 1,000 here. Let's start here. Give me the interval first. We are between what?
400
and 500. Thank you. And step 2?
The middle. 450.
450, the middle, yes. Now, let's place our number. It's less than 450, so we do what? We round down to the previous 10. 100. Our previous 100 is what? 400.
400.
And don't forget to write this 2 as well. This 2,000, that was. Yes.
Yes.
And here now, let's look at this one. 700 and 800. And 790 is more than the middle. So we round up to the next one. So this one here, we will invite Marvelous to tell us.
Huh?
Give us this.
Say, what did you want?
Give us the answer.
I think it is using.
To round off this 3,750. With to round up to the nearest 1,000, we look at all these digits. The only one that will change is the fourth one. But by looking this one, the next one, these 3. Understand now? So now the interval we must find, we are between what?
3,000 and 4,000.
3,000 and 4,000. Our middle, the half is what? 3,500. Then our number is more than our middle. So we do what? Up to the next 1,000. The next 1,000 is what? 4,000. You understand now? Marvelous. Give us. 14,307. First, yes. You want to see the interval first?
It's between 4,000 and 5,000.
Between what? Look properly, look the number properly. The number is 14,000.
But you said this
Yeah.
one is just
Okay.
the interval is 4,500. And you look at this number.
Yeah.
And the next number
4,300 is?
It's less than 4,000, so you will go down.
Yes.
1,400.
14,000.
And what's
14,000.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bouncing. Why are you bouncing?